Hi, my name's Gail Penberthy and I'm lucky enough to be here today to share with you some of my summer designs. I can't help but enjoy a caravan and with that in mind I designed a little cushion that we have here. The cushion is fusible applique, some of it is raw edge applique and then some of it is satin stitched. So even if you're new to applique, there's no need to worry. The pattern has lots of instructions and I hold your hand all the way through and help you out and offer you alternatives. So maybe satin stitching isn't your thing, but you could just use a little bit of raw edge or maybe blanket stitch. Or if machine sewing is not your thing with applique, there's no reason why that you can't hand applique this. Also, it's a great excuse to use up all those lovely buttons, or maybe an excuse to go out and buy more. So if you don't need a cushion to decorate your home, then what about a little peg bag? And that I do love a peg bag. Now some people don't actually hang their washing on the line anymore, but wouldn't this just look cute in your house, and you could maybe put your tumble dryer sheets or something in the back? Or maybe just use it as a decorative item and just put little knickknacks in there. If sewing is your thing, then here's one of my new designs, and this, I actually can't remember what I called it now, but have a look on the website and you'll see it there. We've got a little tiny pin cushion here, somewhere nice to hold your pins, a lovely little needle case, it's reversible. These are really lovely gift ideas if you want to make something quick and simple for your friends that are also stitchers. This can hold your pins or your needles. And then finally your little sewing box. Now who wouldn't want one of these? This is made out of pelmet violin. That's what gives it the nice construction. I also used that in the needle case. And if we just turn it round, this is where the magic is. We open up the box and it's ready to hold all your threads, your tape measures, or anything else you might like. Or maybe it's for a friend or for a young child that doesn't do sewing. It could just be a lovely little box for a child, or maybe make it into a doorstop. And then moving on, I thought, why don't we have a beach hut as well? So here we have the beach hut cushion along with its bunting. Again, all this is appliqued, but in the instructions I give you detailed instructions on how to make the cord, how to make the little pieces of bunting, and even how to insert the zip on the back. Again, if cushions are not for you, what about a tissue box? So if we have a close look at the tissue box, it's completely 360 degrees of designs on there. So on this side, I tell you how to make the little windmills, how to make the surfboard and the life buoy, how to make the fascia board to go on the edge of the roof. There's also in the pattern, there's a simpler version as well. So if you don't want that much detail, on the roof, we've got a lovely little kite, and we've also got a beach ball. And then your bikini, if only I could fit into that, and your little flip-flops with windows. So you could applique this as much or as little as you want. All the elements are in the pattern. It's up to you how much you want to embellish it. And again, with all the lovely buttons that are available out there on the market, who can resist adding a few extra to your designs? I hope you've enjoyed sharing my patterns with me. Thank you.